Did you know that you can improve your body posture and strengthen your body stamina with the help of yoga blocks? We all know how important it is to strengthen your back and improve your posture, but a fun way is to do it with the props. With the yoga block, you can also improve your flexibility and stability. Yes, you heard that right. Hi guys, so today in Yoga for the Soul, we will talk about how to inculcate yoga blocks in your yoga routine. Coming on to the first pose, Vajrasana on the blocks. Release from Sukhasana and come up on your knees. Keep the knees slightly wide and place 1 or 2 blocks in between the knee. Sit on the yoga blocks to keep the spine elevated. While seated, keep the back and the shoulders straight yet relaxed. If the knees or ankles hurt, place a sheet below the knees or ankles. Stay for about 10 to 15 breaths to relax and connect. You could take breaks if the breathing process gets difficult. The next pose is Trikonasana or triangle pose with the blocks. Stand in Tadasana. Separate the feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Arms are extended at shoulder level to the sides. Turn the right foot to the right, externally rotating the right thigh as well. Left foot points straight ahead. Place the block in front of your right foot at a height comfortable for you. Extend the torso to the right and slowly bend and place the right palm on the block, opening the chest. Do not collapse your body on the block, but use it to help you find balance and open up the chest. Back foot, that is the left one, is nicely grounding into the mat. Stay for 10 deep breaths and come up. Repeat on the other side. The next pose is Uttan Pisthasana or lizard pose with the block. Start in downward dog and step your right foot outside your right hand. Place the back knee on the mat. Place blocks under your palms and open the chest to the front. If comfortable, you may take the back knee off the mat, straightening the left leg. If you are comfortable, then you may place the forearms on the blocks and gaze slightly ahead of your fingers as you come into the lizard pose. You may choose to stay on your palms if going down on the elbows feels too much. Stay for 10 deep breaths and come back to downward dog. Repeat on the other side. Now that we have seen asanas with yoga blocks, let's talk about some of their pros and cons. Pros. Number 1. Better alignment. Number 2. Improved balance. Cons. A major con of any prop is that people get too used to it. One must be able to practice the pose without any prop as well. Number 1. Limited uses. Number 2. Risk of injury. Yoga blocks can serve many purposes, but the main goal is to provide support so that you can get the most out of your practice. Always consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you. Before we sign off, today we have learnt about Vajrasana, Trikonasana and Uttan Pisthasana. All these exercises are beneficial to improve your flexibility, improve posture and reduce stress. So, are you planning to add yoga blocks to your yoga routine? Do share your thoughts and keep watching the space for more such content.